Hi everyone, welcome to our channel How to Grow. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to enable direct messages on TikTok. So to get it started, first you need to open your TikTok and make sure to sign in on the TikTok account. After that, on the bottom right corner, there is the profile icon. Just tap on the profile. This will let you enter on your profile page. Then on the upper right corner, there is the hamburger icon. Tap on it and from this drop down box, you need to select settings and privacy option. After you are accessed on the settings and privacy page, you need to tap on privacy. When you scroll down under the interaction section, there is the direct messages option. Simply tap on direct messages. Now on the top there is the direct messages written. Simply tap on it. So here we can see that it is toggle on the friends option. But if you want that everyone to send you direct messages even if they are not the followers, then you can toggle on the everyone. If you want followers you follow back and people you may know to send the direct messages, then you can toggle on the suggested friends. If you want the followers that you follow back to only send the direct messages, then you can select the friends. Or else if you don't want anyone to send you DM on TikTok, then you can select no one. So according to your preference, you can select the options that who can send you messages. So in this way you can easily enable the direct messages on the TikTok. Hope so you like this video useful. If this video was useful for you, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming uploads from our channel. Thank you.